All right, good afternoon, everybody. Dante Bueno, OnlyWoodFloors, and I'm just going to do a quick video update right here in Montebello, show you guys what we got going on at the house. But we got a couple of, got some more feet installed, so just kind of want to kind of show you guys what we got going on. There's a lot of leveling and stuff like that, so let me turn this thing around and start showing you guys what's going on here. So, jump back here. Well, we're making really good progress right now. The floor's been leveled, but fortunately, it's one of those, it's a continuing thing. Jump in here. So, but, installed. See the difference between the old, the new, where everything was laced in. Got everything nice and looking uniform. The guy right here is doing a heater hose repair. This thing is super big. Now it's about 1/2 inch on one side, a little lower on the other side. So Brian's making a reducer right now to try to take care of that, make it look more uniform, make it look super nice. But that's basically where we're at right now. The line to the side. Take you guys in here a little bit more. New wood, old wood. Got a couple of boards right there. So that's about it as far as right now goes. That's what we're looking at. And do another video tomorrow. We can see where we're at as far as when we end the day today, which is usually around 3 o'clock. So we should start sanding tomorrow, at least half the house. A lot of furniture in here, so we're going to do half the house and then do the other half. But, everything's looking good, going according to planned. Subfloor, for the most part, has been leveled out and everything. So we're sitting pretty right now. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Everybody have a good day. Take care.